Kung ano nangyayari sa laban na to.
Ano ba nangyayari sa laban na to? Ganun na lang ang nasabi ng commentator sa laro. Sa sobrang pisikalan ng mga players sa laro na to.
Oh, good! Angeles with the rebound with Nazareno, Raimundo. Have Russell na naman with the hang time. Slow pass para kay Harvey. Aray ko. Right to Harvey, Raimundo. That is a hard pass. Second shot, 24, pulls up. Basket is good. The fight for the loose ball. Nagkadagana na Prince. Ang supersonic ng lipad. Mega wild sportsman-like.
Nagkagulo pa sa dulo. Ultimo mga coaches nag-init sa intense na salpukan.
Visible frustration. Cruz go. The pass by Cruz intercepted there. And the head coach of Team Marilao Gems extremely unsatisfied with the call. Back to Raimundo in the corner. Here comes Nogana Trey. Making it rain all the way downtown. Ogana and bad pass of Pierre with the save against two defenders. Now Prince Montino acting up against James Balmonte. Bagsak silang dalawa. Napasa kamay ni Harvey. Raimundo to a wide open Russell Ogana. Bang! For game officials. Table officials. Low pass para kay Harvey. Aray ko. Hard ball for number 24, Raymawayan Junior Division. Ganda ng pasa para kay Balmonte. Fading away. Raimundo bumagsak na naman. Kinapa, pinalibag ni Mr. Cruz. Laglag yan. Cornered pad. May Kawayan. Dire-diretso. Bumping Montino. Losing the ball out of his hands. Andun si Belsurto to keep the ball alive. Nasundutan ni number 99 to Harvey Raimundo. That is a hard foul from France Angeles. Number 1 possession ball game for Marilao Gems. Ang supersonic ng lipad. Mega wild sportsman-like foul on James Balmonte. No good. Angeles with the rebound. He is fouled by Nazareno, number 99. Corner to James Balmonte. Will take a jab step from deep. Wala. Ang taas tumalon ni number 99, but there's Cruz. 88. A blocking foul called on Team Marilao. I think it is on. So back to number 71, Javier. Short jumper using the glass. Wala. A rebound. Fight for the loose ball. Nagkadagana na Prince against Bensurto. Shoutout sa'yo, Luka. Number 26, flipping it up. That is short. Basket count and one against Javier. Marilao Gems sa ibabaw kay Russell. Wing side to Raimundo. Shimu, ganda naman on. Pinoy step. Pahala kay Raimundo. To create some separation against Padregala. Nakita number 12. Burn! Second shot, it's no good. Harvey na naman. Huli ko na number 25, Tamboa. Sa ilalim, namimilit si Harvey. Raimundo na naman! Kung ng tatlo, nawala ang bola. Napasa kamay ni Torres para kay Krebs. Together with Pep. Huli ko! Krebs is Mr. number 25. Number 14, kontra Padregala to Ivan Saez. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. What a connection. Fight for the board, Altarejos para kay James. Now Balmonte kontra Torres. Twisting and turning. Saez being defended. Ganda ng pasa. Pasok yan. 7. Tulmonte needs to push against 4. Naka-roll na si Mr. Wico umahon. A sorry miss from Wico number 20. There's a whistle from our referee. Coach Step-Tep Seruma. Visible frustration from Coach Step-Tep. Prince nagbabalik na together with Nazareno, Raimundo, Javier, and Ogana. What a cut from Harvey Raimundo. Russell na naman with the hang time. Fouled. Contra Cruz. Russell taking a step back from deep. No good. Raimundo against Franz. What a rebound for Harvey. He is fouled. But missing on that shot as Prince Montino. Ganda ng depensa ni James, but he is out of bounds. Back to our ball game. 24 pulls up. Basket is good. A 3-point made by Harvey Raimundo. Another rebound for Ragas. The jersey number 4. Prince Montino. Whoop. Whoop. Montino is back. Kung ano nangyayari sa laban na to.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!